Hey guys, welcome to Blogging with Erica. In this video, we're going to be talking about the best free keyword research tools. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and do so. Start it, guys. So the first tool on our list is this tool called Keyword Shitter. So just go ahead and type that into Google, and you want to select the first result up there and put in your keywords. So once you put in your keywords, you want to scroll down and you want to click on Shit Keywords. It's going to take a while to go ahead and grab all of the different keywords for that particular niche or seed keyword. So once you're done, you can go ahead and stop the job and click on OK. You can go ahead and copy all of this, and it's going to take us to our next site. Now you want to go to this site called Searchvolume.oi, and it is the first result in Google. Click on it, guys, and it will take you to this page. This is where you can go ahead and paste in all of your keywords that you gathered from Keyword Shitter. Paste that in there and submit, and it is going to give you the search volume for all of those keywords. You can go ahead and sort this by searches, and it's going to give you all of the top keywords at the top, and you can download this as a CSV file that you can use to create your blog post around. Next, we have this tool called What's My SERP Everywhere. Just go ahead and type that in, and you want to click on the first result. Now all you got to do is go ahead and add this extension to your toolbar up there, and every time you make a search on Google, it is going to give you the search volume, the cost per click, and the competition for that keyword. So you can go ahead and add it to your Chrome bar and use this every time you make searches on Google. So next you have this site called Wordtracker. Just type that into Google, and you want to select the first or second result. And it's going to take you to this page, guys, and this is where you can add in your search term and just click on search. And it is going to give you all of the different keywords in that particular niche, the search volume, as you can see, the search volume, your competition, and all of the different information for those keywords. So you can download this as well. You can export it, you can save it, and you can also sign up for a pro plan to get extra keywords on this site. Next we have Wordtracker Scout, guys, and it's similar to the previous site, but this one actually gives you a tool, and we'll see that in a second. So just type that into Google, select the first result, and it'll take you to this page where you can go ahead and download the free Chrome extension. Once you do that, if you go ahead and visit a website, all you got to do is click on that little W bar up there, and it's going to take a while to gather the keywords from that particular website. So it'll give you the page summary, what keywords that they're using on that particular page to rank, the insights of the different keywords that you're using in their post, and where they're ranking. And they're also going to give you a large list of keywords, but for this site it is not giving you the keywords. But once you have this tool, you can use it on any site of your competitors to be able to gather keywords and see what's helping them to rank in Google, and you can use that for your own sites as well. So another awesome site for keyword research is this site called Answerthepublic. Just type that into Google and select the first result. It'll take you to this page where you can add in your keywords. Just add in your keywords and click on the search bar. It's going to take a minute or two to gather all of your different keywords in your specific niche. So as you can see, it has given you this graph of all of the different how, why, can, which, who, and so on and so forth that is going to be added before your main keywords. You can go ahead and sort this by data, and it is going to give you your keywords in this order. Now yours is not going to have the amount of monthly search volume in your cost per click and your competition. That's because I'm using a tool called Keywords Everywhere, but it's a pro tool, guys, and that's why I have this here on my screen. But for you, it's just gonna give you the main keywords, and you can use this to gather and see what's trending in your specific niche. But guys, you can also download this as a CSV file and paste it in this free Searchvolume.oi to get all of the monthly search volumes for your keyword as well. Next we have this site called Kparser, and just go ahead and type that into Google, Kparser.com, and it's going to take you to this site. Now once you type in your keyword, you can choose which search engine you want to use to get results, which country and which language. And once you're satisfied, you want to go ahead and click on Start. Now this tool is actually a freemium tool, and it's not going to give you all of the different results unless you go ahead and pay for it, but it's going to give you all of the keywords. And like we said, you can gather all of these keywords and use the Searchvolume.oi to get the different search volume for these keywords as well. Guys, another site that I use all the time to get keywords and find out what's trending in my niche is the Google Trends. And you want to get used to using this tool because it is very powerful. So go to googletrends.com and you want to go ahead and go to the trending searches page. So just go ahead and click the trending searches, and it's going to give you everything that is trending for the day. But you want to go to real-time searches, guys, and this is where you can choose categories. Like if you're in the business category, entertainment, health, and all of the different topics here, but they don't have enough categories on here. But you can choose, let's say you're in the entertainment niche, it is going to give you everything that is trending for the day that you can, create your content around. Now, another way to go ahead and use Google Trends is by simply adding in your keywords here. So let's say make money online. Google Trends is going to give you, as you can see here, this is on the upward trend. And if you go down, you're going to see what people are actually searching for. So ways to make money online in 2020, it's on the breakout. So guys, this is the best way to use this particular tool to be able to get keywords in any niche. So for the rest of the sites, guys, we're going to be talking about Autosuggest. So if you go to Amazon, if you begin to type in, so let's say we have t-shirts, t-shirts for women, t-shirts with sayings for women. Now these are top searches that people are searching for on Amazon. So as you can see, once you begin to type, Amazon is going to give you other searches that is trending on the platform. So you can use these searches to create your own content around them and be able to promote them online. It's the best way to gather keywords, and if you can afford it, you can use tools like Keyword Everywhere. It only costs you around $10 for 100,000 searches. You can go ahead and try that out, and it's going to give you the monthly search volume and the competition for that particular keyword. Next, we have YouTube, guys, and YouTube is a powerful search engine, and when you have the right tools installed, you can use this as a way to gather keywords for your niche. So the both tools I recommend that you add to your toolbar is the TubeBuddy tool and the vidIQ tool. Now both of them are free. You can just type those into Google, and once you come onto YouTube and you type in your keywords, YouTube is going to give you other keywords that people are searching for. But once you go ahead and enter your search, guys, you will see on the side here, TubeBuddy and vidIQ is going to give you other keywords that people are actually searching for. So if you click on the keyword score, it is going to give you how high the competition is and the amount of search volume for this particular keyword. Now, once you have your sliders in the green, it means that that keyword is, has low competition, and that if you do use it, you will be able to rank higher in the search engines. Now, this tool will also give you the, other related searches. And down here, you're going to see that these are trending, and they're going to tell you that these keywords are trending. This is about 60% higher in the search engines. It's trending right now. So if you go ahead and use it, you are going to get a lot of views, or you are going to get found quicker. So guys, next we have Google itself. And like I said, this is an auto suggest. So as you begin to start typing make money online, so let's say we type in make money online, and once you add your mouse at the end, you are going to see other keywords that people are searching for on Google right now. So you have make money online fast, make money online with Google in Lebanon. I'm in Lebanon, so that's why they're showing me in Lebanon. But if you come here at the beginning and you go ahead and add in this little dash at before your search term, you're going to see what is actually being searched for before your main keywords. So this is a very simple way to start gathering keywords for your particular niche. So guys, those were the best free keyword research tools for bloggers that you can use to gather keywords for your blog post or whatever it is that you're doing online. If you like this video or found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay awesome until next time.